So we're going to talk about a bunch of things very quickly. So you'll have to listen very carefully about the vocabulary that I'm going over and the size and scale of what I'm talking about. From where I am right now, the bank of Lake Lewisville, Texas, all the way to the East Coast in Florida, that is all called the temperate forest biome. A biome is all the ecosystems of similar climate, rainfall, temperature, altitude, and so on. So this is all temperate forest, but I'm standing in water. This is not a biome. The biome is all the climates of that climate. This particular area of Texas is called the post-oak savanna ecoregion, and this is an aquatic habitat inside the ecoregion, inside the giant biome. So I'm talking about water quality, but technically we're in a forest if we're talking about biomes. Now, what you see here is a clay deposit, and that clay deposit in the water, you see it stirring up the water, is causing turbidity. And in an earlier film, we talked about what turbidity is. It's the opposite of clarity. This is a scientific instrument called a Secchi disc. And what it's going to do is determine the turbidity or lack of clarity in the water. And I'm going to put it down in the water, and when I can no longer tell the difference between black and white, then that is the moment where I have lost clarity, okay? So I'm going to start right here. Right there. So here, I only have about 16 or 17 inches of visibility. If I go further out, that visibility should get greater. And if you watch the other film about turbidity, then the temperature should decrease as well. This should be warm water because of the turbidity, and that should be cooler water. Let's see what happens. Here I have almost 3 feet of visibility, and it's starting to get colder. Oh yeah, significantly colder right here. Because there is less turbidity and more clarity, then the temperature is decreasing and the oxygen level is going up. That's as far down as I can go, and I can still see the Secchi disc. So we can prove scientifically that this is significantly clearer, less turbid water. All right, now we're going to go through with the GoPro underwater, and we're going to try to see the clarity decrease or the turbidity increase as we go back toward the shore. Show you where I'm at. I'm pretty far away from the bank, and then we're going to come back with you in this GoPro camera underwater. Let's see how the water clarity changes. Wow, right here, it's so much warmer. Now, look how much closer we are to the bank now. And as you can see, the turbidity has increased because there is suspended clay particles in this water, and that's changing everything about the water quality and the habitat.